wanted to show you what happens when we get the original siding off and we have to take a look at the existing sheathing. If you notice, your existing sheathing looks something like this, where there's a lot of rot points, water stains, and true flaking where you can pretty much just put your finger in. You're going to want to take that off. To take that off, you're going to want to use a pry bar and a hammer. Simple tools to get behind it, bring it off the stud, remove all the nails, and get rid of it. When you notice that there's water damage or rot on the piece of OSB, you're going to want to actually look behind it and around it. If water's getting through this, it's probably also getting onto the studs, onto the joists, or even onto the insulation, building up mold and moisture and inevitably causing a problem. Once you find out that the sheathing is damaged, you're going to want to pry it off with the pry bar and the hammer. Again, inspect the studs, insulation. If that's all good, take this off and throw it away. And you're going to replace it with a new sheet of OSB. Once this is installed, you're going to want to nail every 6 inches on the studs. You want to run your OSB horizontally, not vertically, and you want to make sure that you're hitting the studs for full support, because this does also add rigidity to your home. Guys, that's how you want to look at your existing sheathing when tearing off siding and qualify if it needs to be replaced or if it's good to be wrapped and ready to go.